हेलो चिल्ड्रन। हेलो बच्चे बच्चों नमस्ते। इन हिंदी we say namaste to anyone. If they are younger than you, if they are older than you, anyone you can say namaste. So today Hindi lesson has started and I am going to say to all of you namaste. Bachcho means children. So if you are learning Hindi today is Namaste bachcho. Namaste. Today we are going to first repeat what we did last week. आज मैं दोहराने, repeat means दोहराने जा रही हूँ जो हमने पिछले हफ्ते सीखा था. Whatever we learned last week. आज मैं वही सिखाने जा रही हूँ. तो last week we learned about our body parts. Bit of, not all of it. पिछले हफ्ते हमने कुछ body in हिंदी is शरीर के अंगों के बारे में, पार्ट्स, अंगों के बारे में सीखा था और वो हमारे इसका हिस्सा था. इतने का हिस्सा मैंने पिछले हफ्ते लास्ट वीक आप लोगों को सिखाया था. तो उसमें सबसे पहले आता है हमारा चेहरा. फर्स्ट कम्स आवर फेस. In Hindi we say चेहरा. चेहरे में what we have in our face? Nose, नाक, कान, आँख. If they are two, we say eyes. Just like in English we say eye for one eye. आँख. In Hindi आँख एक के लिए, दो के लिए. आँखें. In English we say eyes. Nose. Kaan is same. Not like in English. In English we say ear, and if they are two, then we say ears. But in Hindi, we say kaan, for two, for one. If you want to say someone that I have got pain in both of my ears, in Hindi you say do kaan mein. Then we have eyebrow. In English is eyebrow. We say bhawe. Bhaw and bhawe. If they are two eyebrows, then we say bhawe. If it is one, we say bhaw. Then it is our mouth. Cheeks are mouth for muh and cheeks gal. We don't have one cheek or two cheeks and cheek. If it is one in English, we say cheek, and if there are two, then we talk about cheeks. But in Hindi, we say gal. If we want to say someone both cheeks, we just say that do gal. Ear, kaan, I have said already. This is our chin in English, and we say funny word, thori or tuddi. Some people say thori, some people say tuddi. This is my tuddi. Then it is our neck is called in Hindi gardan. In English neck, and in Hindi we say gardan. Then these are our two shoulders. We say कंधे, कंधा, कंधे. One kandha and kandhe, two kandhe. Then we have fingers. In Hindi, ungliyan. Fingers, ungliyan. If we are talking about one, ungli. Ungli, ungliyan. Ungliyan. Then we have thumb. In English, we say angutha. Then ungli, middle ungli, majli ungli, then anguthi wali ungli because we put rings there, and choti ungli in Hindi. So thumb is very important. In English, it means, if you do that, it means thank you. But in Hindi, or if you say in Hindi, you say this is thenga, then it means bad. You are teasing someone, saying, oh, I'm not going to give you, you will get this. But in English, if we say that, if we show this, it means I'm very polite. I'm saying thank you. So this is the difference between two languages. Now, we did that last week, and now today I am going to do something very interesting. Everyone loves to eat. So I'm going to talk about fruit, different types of fruits. So very simple fruits, what I have got, I want to show you. These are bananas. In English, in Hindi, we say kela. Kela, banana is kela. Kela, I want 1 kela, 2 kela, 3 kela, 1 kela, 2 kela, 3 kela, 4 केला. मैं बाद में तुम लोगों को गिनती भी सिखाऊंगी. हिंदी numbers are called ginti in Hindi. So you learn numbers in English. We in Hindi say that तुम्हें मैं गिनती सिखाऊंगी. So bananas are kela. Very important fruit in India and Bangladesh and also Pakistan and Sri Lanka is mango. In India, it is called the king of all fruits, aam. We say aam. I think in other languages also we say aam. Okay, people love it. There are so many varieties of aam. This is aam. In English, we say mango. Many of you must have eaten. So this is mango, is aam in Hindi. Then we have santara. In English or here in UK, we get different types of. So these are clementines. Some are satsuma, some are called orange. All different names and different look and different types. But in India or in Hindi, we all say santara in Hindi. In santara. This is santara. Chota santara, bada santara, but all are santara. Fir means then. Then comes here angur. In English, we say grapes. These are black grapes. Kala angur. Black is called kala. Kala angur. ये देखो अंगूर, काला अंगूर. मेरे पास लाल अंगूर भी है. Red grapes are called लाल अंगूर. So ये लाल अंगूर है. फिर एक बहुत अच्छा फल जो यहाँ जैसे हिंदी में आम को बहुत अच्छा बड़ा फल माना जाता है. It's very important fruit. The another fruit here in UK we have, that is called apple. हम लोग उसको हिंदी में सेब कहते हैं, हिंदी में सेब, सेब, एप्पल को सेब, एप्पल इज कॉल्ड सेब in Hindi. Okay, so same. And we can make lot of things with apple, like apple pie, सेब का पाई, और हम लोग सेब की खीर बनाते हैं, सेब की तरह तरह की मिठाई बनाते हैं. And we get also apple jam, we say हिंदी सेब का जैम, सेब की चटनी. So सेब. Okay, सेब is also very important in Hindi, but more important here in UK, like mango in Hindi is more important fruit. Okay, so we have done these two important fruits. Now it's not fruit, you can say that we garnish with this or whatever, you can say lemon. Lemon is called nibu. In Hindi, it is called nibu. But we have in English two types. One is lemon, one is lime. But all are in Hindi, all are called nibu. Nibu. If it is lime, you can call nibu. If it is lemon, you can call nibu. So these are nibu. Another thing, it is in science or botany, another subject, is very big subject for children, but it is a fruit, but we use it in vegetables. That's it. We say tomato in Hindi. In English we say tomato. Tomato is tomato. Tomato is tomato in Hindi. Now, another thing is also, it's not fruit in English. It comes as a part of salad, that is cucumber. I have this bit, that's why it's a small one, cucumber. But in India or other countries, Indian subcontinent, we count it as fruit. So I am teaching today you fruit. So this is cucumber is called kheera. In Hindi we say kheera. There are two types of cucumbers. One is called kakdi, one is called kheera. So kakdi is very thin and long and also looks like this, green, but very thin they are, like this thin and very long, but they look like inside also that is called kakdi. Kakdi, and kheera is a bit thicker than this and they are shorter in Asian countries. So that is called kheera. So in Hindi we say kheera and in English we say cucumber. But we have two types of cucumbers. One is kakdi, one is kheera. Okay, so these are the fruits. So I'm going to repeat again the names in Hindi again. What are these? Kela. Kela. You know that what in English, so I'm not going to talk in English now. This is kela. ये केला है it is, है it is. ये केला है, ये संतरा है, ये संतरा है, ये आम है, आम, ये आम है. If it is raw, we say kacha aam. If it is ripe one, then we say pakka aam. Paka aam. Paka aam. Paka aam, you know that, is very sweet. And on the top of that, kacha aam is very sour. So, ye paka aam hai. Looks like green, but it is paka aam. Paka aam is ripe one. I can eat it. ये अंगूर है, काला अंगूर, काला अंगूर, ब्लैक, काला अंगूर. ये काला अंगूर है और ये लाल अंगूर है, रेड ग्रेप्स, लाल अंगूर है। और फलों का राजा यहां पे सेब, सेब। You know that in English? I think all of you know in English what we say. Even in Bengali we say same name, what in English we say, but in Hindi we say सेब, सेब। This is सेब, ये सेब है, ये सेब है। This, ये है, is, ये सेब है। Again, grapes, these are many, so हैं, अंगूर हैं, not है is this, हैं, ये अंगूर हैं, because they are many. If more than one, हैं. Even if you talk about two, then you say that दो अंगूर हैं. But if it is one, you say एक अंगूर है. Same, एक सेब है. बहुत सारे अंगूर हैं. पांच केले हैं, पांच केले. But if I talk about one, then एक केला है, एक केला है. चार केले हैं, चार केले हैं. एक केला है, चार केले हैं. When it is bananas, then we call केले, केले हैं. One banana, केला. मेरे पास तीन संतरे हैं, तीन संतरे, तीन. 3 satsumas or 3 clementines, you can say. तीन संतरे हैं. So again, one santara, more than one santare. One santara, santare. Clementine, clementines. Clementine, clementines. Okay? So, in Hindi, santara, santare. Santara, santare. Kheera. If I don't have two, so if more than one, we say खीरे. कितने खीरे हैं? 2 खीरे हैं, 3 खीरे हैं. So, 1 I have, so एक खीरा. एक नींबू, नींबू is for both. बहुत सारे नींबू हैं. और more than one is also called. 2 नींबू हैं और एक नींबू है. नींबू is नींबू, same. 1 नींबू is नींबू and 2 नींबूs, नींबू, not lemons. In English is we say lemons, but in Hindi we say नींबू. Just we will say that बहुत सारे, too many, or if we have 2, then we say दो नींबू हैं. But in the end we say हैं. एक नींबू है, and when they are 2, more than one, हैं. So it changes. Like in English, if it is, we say is, and in English we say are. एक आम है, एक आम है. 2 आम है. 3 mangoes are also आम. 3 आम है. 4 mangoes are also आम. So आम doesn't change as mango and mangoes. In English we have 1 mango, we say mango. If we have more than 1, we say mangoes. But in Hindi, all are आम. Just we have to tell, I have more mangoes, so मेरे पास बहुत सारे आम हैं. बहुत आम हैं. Then again it says हैं. आम है, हैं. टमाटर, tomato, is called in Hindi, I said that before, टमाटर. So, टमाटर, हमारे पास एक टमाटर है. टमाटर बहुत सारे हो. If we have too many, still we say that टमाटर. Not one tomato and two tomatoes. Not like English. One tomato and tomatoes, not like English. In Hindi, both are tomato. Just you have to tell, I have too many tomatoes. So you have to say, मेरे पास बहुत सारे टमाटर हैं. But if we have one, then we say, एक टमाटर है. So, है, again, है और हैं. है और हैं. So, टमाटर, टमाटर. टमाटर, एक टमाटर, दो टमाटर, तीन टमाटर, all टमाटर but हैं. दो टमाटर हैं, एक टमाटर है. So we have learned about few vegetables which we usually eat. Fruit in Hindi called phal. And in English we say fruit or fruits, so phal. We say phal. And vegetables, we call them sabzi. In vegetables, sabzi. एक सब्जी, दो सब्जी, sabzi is sabzi. Okay? Some people say tarkari. Some people say tarkari, some people say sabzi. But sabzi is for vegetables. So next week, I'm going to teach you some vegetables or maybe something new. Okay? So thank you for watching me. See you next week again, this time. And don't go away from this Hindi learning class, please. And namaste to everyone. Namaste sabko. Everyone, सबको. सबको नमस्ते. अगले हफ्ते मैं तुमको नमस्ते की मीनिंग बताऊंगी. तुमको, it means next week I will tell you the meaning of namaste. So you should know why you do namaste, why we say namaste in Hindi. What is the meaning of namaste? Okay? So now these days, because of this lockdown and corona, we are all saying namaste. Even Prince Charles was saying namaste to everyone. So namaste, you are showing this respect, love, whatever you say, but you don't need to touch anyone, and that's the lesson. And namaste meaning, it has got very deep meaning. So you will know that, then you will love to do namaste. And namaste is good for everyone. You don't have to say different people to different. If you're someone is younger than you, you can say namaste. Older than you, you can say namaste. Of same age, you can say namaste. So thank you for watching. Bye everyone. विदाई. मैं जाती हूँ अब. फिर आऊँगी, फिर मिलूँगी अगले हफ्ते इसी टाइम, इसी समय. Thank you for watching. Bye.